Welcome back, guys. So now we have to link our website with the mobile application. All right. So in order to do that, at first, what we have to do, we have to transfer all the files of our local host to one online server so that it becomes easier for us to map the application and the website. All right. So the first thing which we have to do is to find one web hosting server and a domain name. All right. If you already have a domain name, you can skip this step. And if you don't have any domain name, you can just search on the internet, cheapest domain name. Let us open website, Namecheap, and let us check. So now I can see .biz is 81. All these domain names are costing just 81 rupees. You can buy any of the domain from this company. All right, it costs less than 100 rupees. But as I already have a domain name, all right, so not domain name, sorry, as I already have one account from Freenom. So what I will be doing, I'll be simply visiting this website and click on sign in. You can also try to register one new account here, but I don't think now they're offering any new registration because I tried to do it from various methods, but I'm unable to do it. Right? Freenom registration. Let us check if you can do or not. I see no way to create. I see a login link. Just a minute. Let us check what is being discussed here. I searched the domain name and it is available. Quite some time ago, my son had the same problem. I'm sorry, I do not understand. Okay, leave it. So as I already have one email ID and password, as I already have a previously created account, so I can now log in into this account, Freenom, but I don't think you can create a new account now. And from Freenom, I can purchase domain names free of cost. So my domains, and here let us purchase one domain name, Vivotab. Let us check which extension is available. So at first they offer the free extension like .tk. Okay, so let us check. The website is a bit slow. As you already know, the service which we get, oh sorry, so I have to register a new domain, not click on my domains. So this website is a bit slow. I don't think they will be offering premium services at the cheapest rate. Okay, not the cheapest rate, free of cost. So we have to wait for some time. And now I'll be searching one free domain name, we bought app, and check availability. So if you guys want a free domain name from Freenom, okay, if you want me to purchase the free domain name for you, you can just comment down on the comment box below, and I'll be along with your email ID so that I can share you the details, and then I'll be purchasing this domain name and send it to you on your email ID. All right, you can simply send me your name and email ID on the comment box below, and I will be purchasing the domain name and send it to you over your email. So even the search is not working. Okay, let us check in this way. Also guys, I have one request for you. As I've been doing this series from quite a long time, so I request you to share your feedback regarding this series. I just want to know the videos which I'm creating for you, whether these videos are useful or not, or if this free course which I have made available on internet for all of you, if you have learned anything from this course, your comments will be very valuable for me, and it will give me more courage, more encouragement to bring similar quality videos in the near future. So now I can see .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, all these domains, because of technical new registration is currently okay. So now this company is not offering new registration. So unfortunately, I will not be able to give you any domain. Let us check once again. We bought tab new and check availability. All right. So what I was telling, just let me know your feedback. It will give me more courage, more encouragement to bring similar contents in the near future. Okay. One more time. We bought a Flutter. And if any of you want to learn Flutter, maybe web development, maybe digital marketing from me directly online, maybe in a Zoom Meet or Google Meeting, then you can just let me know. We also offer online training for web development, digital marketing, and mobile application development in Hindi as well as in English. So once you complete the course with us, we will also be teaching you international freelancing, with the help of which you can work for the international clients and earn a very good revenue. Unfortunately, guys, so we will not be able to purchase a free domain from this website anymore, and not all things comes for free. So you have to invest a bit money, like 100 rupees, to purchase your domain name from this company. Okay, so now as I already have some free domains registered in this website, so I will simply click on my domains and change the IP address of the domain name and use it to host our application. Okay, just a bit more time. So you can also hear some background music, background hammer sound in this video. So my neighbors are doing something, I think some construction. Okay, so today is Sunday. I usually get some free time on the Sunday, since from Monday to Saturday my schedule is quite tight, and on the Sundays these guys have appointed someone, I think, to repair their house. Okay, so now I can see all the registered domain names in this portal. So let me use any domain name which is going to expire by the end of this year. So this domain is going to uh, expire on November. Okay, so for this reason, I'll be using this domain to host my website. So the name of the domain is booppers.tk. I don't know who registered this domain name, though this is my account, but I share the details of this account with my students. I think they have registered this domain names. Okay, so now what I will do, I will simply copy the name of the domain from this section and wait for some time so that I can check if I can manage the DNS or not. If I, yeah, now I can see that I can manage the DNS, manage name servers, and I have to go to name servers. Okay, so the first thing that I have to do is now to go to one website. As I think you already know that to host a website, you need a domain name and you also need one hosting service. Okay, so let's assume you have purchased the domain name from Namecheap, as they are offering the domain names at less than 100 rupees. So once you get the domain name, the next step will be to purchase a free hosting account. So I'm very happy to also let you know that Webotep group of companies also offers hosting services for our clients. So let us open our primary website, webotep.com, and go to our hosting section. And now let's go to our cloud services. I can see cloud.webotep.com. You can even visit this website, cloud.webotep.com, and you can choose this plan, add to cart. And let us check 1 month plan. What I can do here, if I go back, if I check the features, I can host one website, 50 GB SSD space, 500 GB monthly bandwidth, unlimited free SSL, free backups, 3 email IDs, manage WordPress, free WordPress installation, one-click WordPress installation, 3 databases, DNS management. We have provided all the basic and advanced features that one user should have in order to host his or her website. Okay, so let's assume you have purchased the domain name from this company, and now I'm not recommending you to purchase any domain name from Wipotep, as the cost of the domain name will be a bit higher as compared to these big giants, as we are not a giant company, so we have to purchase the domain names at the regular price. Okay, so you can purchase any domain name from any company, and then you can simply click on this option. I will use my existing domain name and update my name servers. Okay, I want to let you know one more thing, that if you buy any domain name from these giants, the first year they will be providing huge discount like 81 rupees. You can buy this domain name at 81 rupees, but on the next year you have to renews at 129924. Okay, I think there is some mistake in converting the renewal price. The renewal price should be around 700 to 800 rupees, not more than that. Okay, so you can just have a chat with this company, with this team, and for the first year you can avail the domain name at around 8190 rupees, and in the next year you have to renew it at around 991 rupees. All right, okay, so we have already assumed that you have bought the domain name, and now I will update my existing domain and update my name servers. So here I have the domain called boopers.tk, and I will simply paste it here. I will remove the .tk from here and put the extension in this section. Now I will click on use, and I can see that all the features of the website. Now I will be simply clicking on continue again, and I can see WBA 99% one-time discount has been applied on this plan. And if you can't find or if you find any other coupon code applied to this section, then you can simply remove it from this section. Okay, and write WBA 99 and validate the code, and then click on checkout. Fill up your name. Let me open this Gmail account, and then let us put my name, Pavan Jyoti Bhuya. Okay, and then I will be copying the email ID from this section, and I will put my phone number here. But please, I request you not to use any dummy phone numbers like this. We'll be what we do generally, once we get the sign up from our clients, we confirm them on the next day whether the client is valid or not, because nowadays a lot of spammers and cheaters are creating website on the name of the big giants like Geo, then electricity board, or maybe like Airtel, Vodafone, and they keep on cheating their clients. So this is just a small step to stop all these frauds. And then if you have any company, you can just put the name of the company here and write the name of your address, house number 15. I will simply I will simply copy the address from here and put it here now. Okay, street address 2, and the city is Guwahati, and the state is Assam, and the pin code is 781006. If you have any text ID, you can put your PAN card number here, and I will be filling up this password. And then now already the plan, we have applied the discount coupon of 99%. So the price here I can see is 3.53 rupees. And now I will click on complete order. Now I have to pay this order to my credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, wallet, anything. And just make the payment of 3.53 rupees. And done. So I have made the payment from my mobile phone, and payment is successful. let us go to this email box, and now I can see I have successfully paid to India Web Designs, the name of our primary company. Okay, and now I will click on go to client area, and then few details here. The product is being active, then log in to direct admin. I will be directly logging to direct admin here. Okay, so I can see boopers.tk, this domain is being created, and now I have to go to our domain name DNS, and here I will simply delete all the records from here. I could have saved more time if I purchased a domain name using 989.81 rupees instead of waiting for these free services. Oh, one domain, one record is being deleted now. Okay, let us check. Deleting the second option as well. And now I will be adding some records here. The name of the record is NS, which is name server. Unfortunately, NS record is also not available in this section. Okay. All right, then. Now I will be visiting this portal once again, and I will also check my email. If you don't find the email in your inbox, you can just check your spam folder. So I received the customer invoice, spam, then the bill details, order confirmation, then the welcome message and invoice payment confirmation. Okay, and then I can see the details of the name servers here. Okay, so I can see the details of the name server here, but if you are not able to update the name server, like in this case, then what we have to do, we have to simply copy the IP address of the server like this. Okay, you can simply copy it and paste it in your domain name DNS management section. Okay, so here I will simply update the domain name. At first, let me delete it. So looking at this slow load time, I can still remember my time when I started learning website designing. Okay, at that time I was using 2G internet connection from Aircel, I think. So I will tell the story at later phase. Okay, at first let me add the records here. So now I will be adding a blank value here. Okay, so that if someone types only boopers.com, it gets redirected to this IP address. Okay, and I will be adding one more value, that www. If someone types www.boopers.com, also in that case it should redirect to this IP address. And the TTL, time to live value, I will be reducing it to 300 seconds, and then click on save changes. Okay, so let's continue the story again. So I can still remember the time when I first started to learn website. At that time, I was using 2G internet connection, and if I just go to Google and type google.com and hit enter, it takes around 5 to 6 seconds to load the website. So this is similar to that. At the time when the internet was so slow, so slow, at the time what I did was I just keep on waiting for 1 a.m. at the midnight, when all the other users, other mobile users, go to sleep, and when all the users go to sleep, the speed of the internet increases. And I used to learn web development at from 1 p.m. to like 5 a.m. and then go to college. Okay, so let us end other stories, and I can now see that the record, both the records have been successfully added here. Okay, now I will go to one more website, dnschecker.org. So in this website, I will be able to see the DNS record of this domain name. I can see whether the A records have been updated or not. And now I can see none of the record is being updated. So till the time these records are up and running, okay, what I will do, I will stop this video, okay, wait for some time and create a new video once the propagation is being completed. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel for further updates. Also, if you have any friend or family member or neighbor who is interested in coding, web development, maybe mobile application, maybe, or digital marketing, so you can always recommend him to Webotep Academy, as we also provide 6 months web development course, digital marketing course, and 1 year mobile application development course with Flutter. Thank you.